Hi everyone, let's talk about Lucid Group. It's a technology and automotive company that develops electric vehicle. This one have been soaring 30% as it confirms first customer deliveries to take place on October 30th, so end of October. This is how it looks. So I guess there's a expect to produce 520 of its AirDream Edition vehicles. Cost pretty nice, 169,000 each. They come in two versions, range and performance. I'm not gonna advertise this car, but the company have been up since the trading day. It actually had been over 30%, yeah. It decreased slightly, but this is all-time 254% in return since last September. That's pretty nice of the returns. And on the fundamentals, revenue is forecasted to grow over 120% per year. Revenue grew already by 4% over the past year. It has pretty high of the market cap, so 43 billion. Financial health, 5 out of the 6. Future growth, 2 out of the 6. On the risk side, currently unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years. Volatile share price. They had back in mid-February this year a lot of volatility. So if we go back, it was soaring from the January till February. Yeah, there's a 1.5 month, 427%. Then it decreased since that, 66% on the max. And from this side, yeah, once again it doubles from there. And does not have meaningful revenue, which is currently 4 million, but I guess since they are currently start to sell to the customers the cars, this will expand very pretty significantly, I guess. There was a lot of product updates. This is all meeting the, by the way, the industry US auto is soaring 122%. That is huge. I guess this is one of the best industries that have such a good returns. And since this is 1 year return, 263%, it outbids the industry and of course the US market. About the company, it has actually what it founded, yeah, 2007 employees, 2,397. Fundamentals, market cap 43 billion, revenue 4.46 million, and look at the earnings, minus 3.6 billion. They made, I guess, a huge of investments to the research and development and manufacturing the cars, and that's why this is so low. Valuation side, simple Wall Street does not have any price targets. Tip ranks has $23, that is meaning minus 33% downside. And in good scenarios, this is, by the way, $30 per share. And MarketWatch has similar price targets, lowest 12, highest 30. That is meaning that it would be ranging, I guess, from the support level to the resistance, somewhere around 60, I guess. So currently there is, I guess there was the resistance was around $30 per share. So you see this backline here, that's I guess the support level, because it once it hit it, it bounced back. And this is, by the way, hit almost, so here's the first $20, but it broke it in April down to the April 21. Then once again it hit it, so maybe there is some of the big players were loading at around $17 per share. So this would be the best level to buy it, but of course there is a lot of risk, so it's not investment advice. But anyway, there's a huge volumes coming, 294 million currently. If it take place to this kind of movement as we see this year, February, then be careful because this could be downtrending a lot. So I'm just warning, not dramatizing anything. Future growth for the company is forecasted 42%, and you see the revenue is forecasted very highly up, yeah, till the end of 23, 4.1 billion per year annually. That's huge. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow, and this might be very much impressively increase the earnings to the minus $1 per share, the EPS -1, not so bad as expected. Yeah, so there's the investments that they did, I guess, minus 647. Currently the company is unprofitable. Financial health side, we see that they have a big equity, 1.3 billion. Depth, not so much, by the way, 8.2 million and 558 million of cash. So they have a lot of cash, a little of depth. Debt to equity ratio 0.6%. That is very good. Balance sheet looks mostly green. They're not paying dividends. On the insider transactions, no volumes there. Top shareholders and ownership breakdown. Sovereign wealth funds. First time I see one of them. 62% holding this one. General public 29. Insiders 3.7, and same as the institutions. Top shareholders, Vanguard is here at the third place, almost 1 billion. There is some of the individuals, and there's independent director, senior VP. Yeah, there's also BlackRock is here, the public investment fund of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, holding 27.4 billion. Yeah, pretty nice. But anyway, simple safe dividend shows that shares outstanding increasing. Total sales, it increased compared to last year, but I guess once they are hitting the sales, hitting this one out, start to selling the AirDream Edition electric sedans this weekend, by the way. I guess they would be good. And investing.com, some of the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy, but I would not recommend so fast. They have a lot of negative earnings, so this is not a financial advice. And do not FOMO. There's a comment pretty good. In seeing stupid posts like this will go to $100 tomorrow and other BS. So be careful, guys. My one of the concerns is that people will not lose any money of, especially in short squeezes, because this one lost 60% in actually half of the month. So be careful on this one. Anyway, hopefully it helps. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.